Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get blur control center on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the themes app on your smartphone. Just search MTX. Now from here just download the MTX Pink theme. Now as you can see, I have already installed the theme on my smartphone. Now if you have not installed it yet, just tap on download. And once the theme is fully downloaded, just tap on apply. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now from here, if you open the control center, you can see we have got the blur control center. Now there are two other themes to download to get the blur control center. Now to download them, just go to the themes app. Now from here, go back and search classic. Now from here, just download this theme. Now as you can see, the name of this theme is classic. And now as you can see, I have already installed the theme on my smartphone. If you have not installed it yet, just tap on download. And once the theme is fully downloaded, tap on apply. Now as you can see, the center of the control center is not blurred out, but the sides are blurred, as you can see. Now let's download the third theme. Just search R color. Now from here, scroll down and download the R color UI. Now from here, just download the theme. And as you can see, I have already downloaded the theme on my smartphone. Tap on apply. Now as you can see, the center of the control center is not blurred out, but the sides has a blurred gradient so that it looks like it has a blurred background. And this is how you can get blur control center on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.